Model, 2018 Peugeot BOXER Relay 335 L3 long wheelbase, 2.0 BlueHDi H2 professional van 130 PS 66 km DPARES repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 66,865. MOT, 28 June 2024. Engine, 1997 ccDW10FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings, the engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, parking sensors, cruise control, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,550. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111